Hello and welcome to Market Flash. Today we're going to take a look at Bitcoin in a larger time frame as well as in a smaller time frame, and we'll talk about Ethereum as well. It's been a while that I'm repeating myself and saying that Bitcoin is very likely to go up to around $100,000, maybe slightly higher, but very likely that Bitcoin will go up to around $100,000 and then get rejected from there to continue the bear market downtrend. And the reason for that is because whenever Bitcoin price went below the 50-week moving average, which is this yellow line, for example here in 2022, when we entered the bear market, Bitcoin price went below the 50-week moving average, but eventually it went back up to just above the 50-week moving average. Similar thing happened in 2018 when we entered the bear market and went below and then just back above, not above, just like exactly around this 50-week moving average. So I think it's very likely that a similar scenario will repeat again and Bitcoin will go up to around $100,000 where this 50-week moving average is currently sitting, and from there will get rejected to continue the bear market downtrend. Now let's take a look at Bitcoin in a smaller time frame, in daily time frame, to see what is going on with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is right now exactly at this level, which we draw this red line, is currently finding resistance and is struggling right now. But I don't see any sign of strong rejection from there. And that is an indication that Bitcoin is holding strong, and it's likely that Bitcoin will stay there for some time and consolidate, but eventually will break this resistance line and go up to around $100,000. If you take a look at Bitcoin daily RSI, was in oversold area and now it's getting a bounce, and that is also causing Bitcoin price to go up. But now, like I said, is now hitting this resistance level. Also, if you take a look at Bitcoin daily MACD, is for the first time after November 3rd, it is flashing green signals for 2 continuous days, and that is also showing strong bullish momentum for Bitcoin to continue this uptrend and all the way to around $100,000, maybe slightly higher. Also, if you'll take a look at Bitcoin liquidation heat map, is also indicating that there's strong amount of liquidity above the current price of Bitcoin, and that is also a reason why Bitcoin will likely to go and see higher prices to grab these liquidity. And now let's take a look at Ethereum to see how is Ethereum doing. Ethereum is continuing this uptrend, but now it's hitting this resistance level, and it looks like there's some signs of Ethereum trying to break this resistance level. And if it does, and if we have a daily candle close above this resistance level, which is around $3,050 or $60, then it is very likely for Ethereum to go up to around $3,400, that we have another level of resistance there. And if you look at Ethereum daily RSI, is now going up from this oversold area, and that's also causing Ethereum price to go up. And MACD is also flashing green signals for about 4 days now, and that is an indication that there's bullish momentum for Ethereum to go up. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for the next video update that's coming tomorrow.